A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, we are going to do practical 2, which is from the chapter multiplication. So let's get started without any further ado. So the aim of this practical is that we are going to write the table of 8 using the table of 4. Now we need some things, some requirements are there in order to complete the practical. What are the things which we required? We need sketch pen, colors, it can be of any color of sketch pen you can use, crayons, pencil, eraser and scale. Now last but not the least, we will see that how we can write the table of 8, using the table of 4. So in the result, I am going to show you a very small example. I'll give you a hint that how you can do your practical. Right. We all know that when we multiply two factors, we get a product. And if you have to write the table of 8 with the help of the table of 4, so how you are going to write? You will just double the first factor, and half the second one. You just have to remember this trick, that you will double the first factor and you will find the half of the second, and then you will do the multiplication. So let's see one example I have given you. The example is that 4 multiplied by 2, this is equivalent to 8. We all know that 4 2s are 8, right? Now if you have to write that what is 8 ones are, so you already know that 8 ones are is 8. This is clear. But can you observe one thing over here, that here 4 is a first factor, and 8 is also a first factor in these multiplication facts. So here 4 is a first factor. If you will double 4, so you will get 8, and then after the sign of multiplication you have 2, and what you have to do, you have to write the half of it. So what is half of 2? It is 1. So what I have done, double of 4, which is the first factor, and half of the second factor. So what is the second factor? It is 2. So what will be the half of it? It is 1. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So on this concept, which is double of the first factor and half of the second, we are going to write the table of 8. So let's see how you can do the practical. Now dear students, we are going to write the table of 8, with the help of the table of 4. How is it possible? It's very easy to do, You can simply write table of 4 and table of 8 just by multiplying it, with the counting numbers, which are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. But the question arises that how is it possible to write the table of 8 with the help of the table of 4? So I told you a trick. What you have to remember, double the first factor, and you will do the half of the second factor, and then you have to multiply. So we all know that 4 1s are 4, so this we will skip. Now we also know that 8 1s are 8. So where do you see 8? In 4's table. I have written 4's table till 20 times. So first you will write 4's table till 20 times. And then you will see where you are getting 8, because we need 8 1s are 8 here. So here can you observe one pattern? I told you double of the first factor. What is the double of 4? It is 8. And half of the second. So what is the half of the second factor? Which is 2. So half of 2 is 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 will be 8. So 8 1s are 8. Can you see this? Now you will skip this one. You will come to the next one. Now we have 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Now how you will use this in 8's table? So we will do double of the first factor. So 4's double is 8. And half of the second factor, which is 4. So 8 multiplied by 2. What is half of 4? It is 2. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Is this clear? Now we will skip the next one. Now we have 4 6 are 20 4. Okay, we will do double of the first factor, which is 4. So we will get 8, and then we have to do, okay, half of the second one. So what is the half of 6? It is 3. So 8 3s are 24. Okay, and then 8 4s are, okay, double of 4 is, you will skip this one, double of 4 is 8 and half of 8 is 4. So 8 4s are 32. Did we get 8 4s are 32? Yes. And then you will skip this, 8 5s are 40. Double of 4 is 8, half of 10 is 5. So 8 5s are 40. You will skip this, then double of 4 is 8 and half of 12 is 6. So 8 6 are 48. So 8 6 are 48. Now you will skip this one. Now after this, double of 4 is 8. Okay, and after this, half of 14 is 7. So 8 7s are we getting 56? Yes. Now you will skip this. Okay, we are taking only the even numbers, not the odd one. So 4 multiplied by 16. Okay, so double of 4 is 8 and half of 16 is 8. So 4, so here we have to do 8. Okay, 8 8s are, okay, so double of 4 is 8 and half of 16 is also 8. So 8 8s are, we have got 64. Now we will skip this. Now we have to see what is 8. Okay, 9s are, so double of 4 is 8 and half of 18 is 9. So 8 9s are, we are getting 72, the same one. Now you will skip this. Last but not the least, double of 4 is 8 and half of 20 is, okay, it is 10. Okay, so 8 10s are 80. So see, we have written the 8's table with the help of the 4's table. What you have to do, you just have to skip, okay, the even numbers you have to take, and odd one you have to just skip. Okay, so 4 2s are will be your 8 1s are. Okay, 4 4s are will be your 8 2s are. So 8 16 24 32 40 48 56 64 72 and 80. So this is how we can write, okay, 8's table with the help of 4's table. It's not very complicated, it is very easy once you have got the concept that what we are doing, we are not taking the odd numbers, we are just taking the even numbers, like 4 2s are, 4 4s are, 4 6 are. And what is the trick behind it? What we are doing actually, we are finding the double of the first factor and half of the second. So if I have to write 8 1s are 8, okay, so double of 4 will be 8 and half of 2 will be 1. So 8 1s are, I am getting 8. So 8 1s are, I am getting 8. So like this we have written 8's table with the help of 4's table. So I hope you all have understood this, okay, and now you have to complete this practical work in your practical file. So we will be meeting you all soon with the next practical, okay, at the end of the month. So keep practicing maths, okay, take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.